Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I glammed up some really pretty items that I picked up from my local Goodwill. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this really pretty glass temple jar and this white ceramic dog treat container. They were both $2.99. I hand painted both of my pieces, allowed them to dry overnight, and then I added a coat of high gloss varnish mixed with a small amount of extra fine silver glitter. Of course, the varnish will protect my paint, but the silver glitter will also give it a little added sparkle. To help glam up my temple jar, I'm using this really pretty crystal iron-on trim that I picked up on sale from Hobby Lobby for about $4. To complete the project, I removed my hot glue strings, and here's the finished look. For my upgraded dog treat container, I'm doing something different by using some of this plaster of Paris and this silicone candy mold that I already had at home. You can pick up plaster of Paris at Michael's for less than $5, and you simply mix a 2-to-1 mixture of the plaster with water. Once my plaster mixture was smooth, I then poured small amounts into my silicone candy mold. I believe I purchased this candy mold from Joann's last year for under $5 as well. Here I've scraped away the excess plaster, and now I'm tapping the mold to release any air bubbles. Next, I spray painted some of my plaster flowers with this metallic gold spray paint. I then added a single Dollar Tree pearl to the center of each of those gold flowers. I'm also using some of this gold flower garland that I picked up from Michael's on clearance after Christmas last year. You guys have seen me use this garland before. If not, I'll link the video of when I first used this garland in the cards above. I then used hot glue to attach all of my flower pieces to my transformed dog treat container. Initially, it seemed as though the hot glue was strong enough to hold my plaster flowers, but once the glue dried, one of my flowers fell off, so I decided to use this Gorilla Construction adhesive to attach my remaining plaster flowers instead. As you can see, I've also added some of the plaster flowers that I've painted with that same pearl paint, and I've added more of the Dollar Tree pearl stickers to my design as well. I then added a second design to the opposite side of my container, and here's the finished look. When I saw this really pretty large glass piece for under $5, I fell in love. Once I cleaned the glass, it was really pretty as is, but I've decided to experiment a bit by using some of this gold mirror finish spray that I picked up from Joann's. Here's where I wish I would have stopped. I had a really pretty gold ombre effect on the glass, but I decided to add more, but ended up being a bit unhappy with the mirror finish. Once my paint dried, I decided to give my design a more distressed look. So here I'm using a damp paper towel and the tip of my fingernail to add scratches to my gold paint. I also added more of the paint and then misted the paint with this vinegar and water mixture to attempt to create more of a Mercury Glass look. For now, I've added a battery-operated candle to my design, but once the stores reopen, I may get some paint remover, remove the paint, use this as a glass terrarium, or add some gel wax and create a super huge candle similar to the wine glass candles that I made for you guys last year. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.